Hi, this is Tom Matson, and I'm going to quickly talk about Teleprompter Pro's scrolling speed feature. So we're just going to go ahead and access the teleprompter here. And right here is the box at the top of the page where you will set your scrolling speed at. With this selector here, it is used to determine how fast your scripted message is scrolled on the screen. And it's very easy to use. The slowest speed is 1, and the fastest speed is 10. Pretty straightforward. You really need to be a super fast talker, or possibly recording a rap song, or 200 to 300 words per minute, in order to be able to use a speed that fast as 10. Now, if you discover that one speed is a little too slow, and the next speed is a little too fast for your speech patterns, then you can play around with combining two options to get the desired result. If you increase the font size, the words will appear larger on your screen and will facilitate a slower delivery. Now, you can fine-tune the delivery speed of your message by increasing or decreasing the teleprompter speed setting and increasing or decreasing the font size as needed to add a slight or very noticeable increase or decrease in the delivery of your scrolled scripted message. And we'll go ahead, I'm just going to import again. We're just going to take this right here, same one as used in the last couple. And what we're going to do here is we're going to show you an intermediate speed with a larger font size. Let's go at 5. This is fairly fast. We're going to increase the, let's see, we'll take 88, well, it goes 88 or 92, and we're going to go down and hit let's do it. Now, it's a little bit larger font size than normal, than default. And we hit let's do it, and as you can see, it rolls pretty fast at 5. Okay, and I'm going to go back just a little bit here, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to, let's bring this up to show you how much different it could be here. We'll probably drop the speed back to say a 3, or no, just 4. Just go to a 4. How about that? And we've increased the font size, and we dropped the speed 1. And you'll see. That's what happened. I didn't save that. I didn't save it. So I talked about that in a prior tutorial. Okay. What we're going to do here is we're going to grab another file because I didn't save it to begin with. We're going to take this one here and just going to show you something else that's pretty nifty. Okay. And you'll notice this is all on the right side of the screen here. Because why? Because we are using Hebrew characters here. And so another function that we are going to talk about in a subsequent tutorial is the auto detect function, which determines whether or not you're using right to left or left to right languages. So anyway, we're going to take that, and we've got this set on a 4, and the font size is up somewhat, so we're going to see how well that changes the difference in the delivery. Okay. See? It's a larger font size. We only dropped the speed by 1. However, it's not scrolling nearly as fast. It may be that it's a little bit difficult to, with the way it's set right now, you have to play around with some of your settings to make sure that you have everything scrolling and they're on the lines as you would like them to be. However, as far as changing the speed of the delivery, that is easily handled by just toying with and playing with the sizes, font sizes. And I only just set the default body and the paragraph font size. If you're using other styles, then of course you would be setting those too, just depending on what you're using. So that will cover this particular functionality. In the next tutorial, we will talk about the delay feature.